This is the Obsidian F2X, a 2-inch racing drone designed specifically for competitive FPV racing. It is one of the fastest, if not the fastest, 2-inch racer in the world, capable of accelerating from 0 to top speed within 2 seconds. Let's take a look at the flight footage. When designing the Obsidian F2X, our primary goal was not simply to achieve the highest top speed. Instead, we focused on two key performance areas. One, acceleration. A drone capable of flying 150-160 km an hour may sound impressive, but if it takes 3 to 4 seconds to reach that speed, it becomes less effective on the racetrack. Most FPV race cars are simply compact, small, often with straight section of let's say 50 meters. By the end, a slow accelerating drone reaches top speed. The pilot is already approaching the next turn. So Obsidian F2X reaches its maximum speed in approximately within 2 seconds, allowing it to accelerate aggressively out of corners and hit high speed almost instantly. This rapid acceleration lets the drone fly through all the gates, weaving through the gates obstacles easily. As you can see from the video, flying along the small bushes 40 to 60 kilometers an hour effortlessly, and the drone itself is extremely responsive. Now, the second key performance we are looking for is agility and cornering. Now, racing is not just about flying fast in the straight line. A winning waving drone must be able to change direction, make turns, maintain grip through different corners at high speed. The Obsidian F2X was designed to be highly agile with little drift, fast turning response, and excellent air grip. This allowed pilots to carry more speed through corners, transition faster between gates, whether it's turn, cornering, or flying straight. The Obsidian F2X is built to stay precise, responsive through the entire race. And because in racing, it's not the drone with the highest top speed that wins. It's the drone that is able to get through all the gates, turns, corners within the shortest time, gets you the ultimate prize.